A milkshake is a creamy ice cream treat that pairs perfectly with burgers or fries. Making milkshakes using a soft-serve machine is a great user-friendly way to make the delicious treat. Using a soft-serve machine is safer and has less risk of injury than using hand-dip ice cream for milkshakes. Soft-serve machines dispenses a soft ice cream that makes milkshakes easier to blend and requires less time. If you're wondering how to make this delicious treat, the process is simple. For a creamier and thicker milkshake, dispense your soft-serve ice cream and add liquid ice cream base. Your ratio will be 75% soft-serve and 25% liquid ice cream base. For a cheaper and milkier milkshake, dispense your soft-serve ice cream and add milk. Your ratio will be 75% soft-serve and 25% milk. Blend your milkshake using a milkshake blender such as the Electro-Freeze Arctic Swirl. Now comes the fun part. You can add toppings and flavorings such as caramel, hot fudge, whipped cream, and much more. Add inclusions such as assorted candy, fruit, or nuts to create a truly high-end milkshake. High-end milkshakes are on the rise. It is a great way for your business to stay on trend. Many venues go the extra mile to create truly original creations, and their effort is well rewarded. Let's do the math. You can charge $4 for a milkshake when it only costs you 75 cents to make. That is $3.25 in profit per milkshake. Sell 50 milkshakes and that is $162.50 a day in profit. That equals $1,137.50 a week in profit, which is $59,150 a year in profit. Slice's Concession prides itself on the great relationships we have with our clients. We ensure great quality to great establishments. We have a host of great ice cream machines that surpass the competition. Stick with a winning company to help ensure your future ventures are a success. Make more money for your business. Let us show you how. Call us today, Slice's Concession.